Mr. Morning, and this is Bluegrass Middle School's open house.
Hi, my name is Mark Webster, and I'm proud to be the principal of the best middle school in Hardin County, Bluegrass Middle School. And tonight we are welcoming our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders here for open house. The thing that we're most excited about in the coming year is to welcome our Bulldogs back and continue to hunt for 100% proficiency in reading and math. Have a great start to the school year.
Okay, so my name is Coach Will Knoth. I'm the John Hardin High School wrestling coach, and I also run homegrown wrestling, John Hardin Wrestling and homegrown wrestling. So I'm here today basically just trying to talk to the kids and tell them about the opportunities that we have at John Hardin High School and at Bluegrass Middle School for wrestling. We have boys and girls teams, and we're looking for kids really at any skill level, any age, it doesn't matter. With homegrown, they can wrestle with us from 4 years old up until 8th grade. And for the middle school and the high school, from 7th grade up. And that's basically what I'm doing here. We don't really have tryouts for wrestling, so if somebody wants to join, they're welcome to join us. All we ask is that they have a desire to learn and work hard, and we'll work with anybody that wants to learn.
Hi, my name's Aaliyah. I'm on the cheerleading team. It's an awesome, fun activity. Bella? Okay.
Hi, my name's Isabella, and I'm also on the cheerleading team. Okay.
I'm here because I've been cheering since I was 2, my whole life. I love cheerleading. It's awesome. I mean, if y'all want to do it, y'all really should. It's awesome.
Okay, I'm on the cheerleading team because I like spiriting up the other teams, and cheerleading's fun.
Wait, what information? What information do you want the students to know about your company? I don't know. There you go.
Cheerleading is a fun sport. It's like very enthusiastic.
I would do it because you get to put yourself out there, try new things like you always do, things like that.
Hi, my name is Coach Sammy Smith. I'm the football coach here at Bluegrass Middle School. And I'm here to promote our football team and group to encourage our student athletes to come out. Right now we are in season, so if you would like to come out, you can come out anytime. When school starts, practice starts right after school from 3:15 to 5 o'clock. Parents, if you need to get in touch with me, you can find me at the Bluegrass page. I'm also an instructional assistant here in our special education department. You can find me at samuel.smith@hardin.kyschools.us. That's my email. Just give me a shout out and I'll be happy to send you more information.
My name is Beverly Mathers. I'm the kitchen manager here at Bluegrass Middle School. I am here to welcome all the kids and gather any dietary information that they may have for this school year. And I just really hope everyone has a great school year.
I'm Coach Josh Vogel. I'm a PE teacher at John Hardin High School. I'm also the cross-country coach. I'm here recruiting some middle schoolers. We currently only have 2 middle schoolers on our team. We're trying to get a full team this year to grow a little bit. So any 7th or 8th graders that are willing to come out, we'll be more than happy to have them come out and run with us. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Richard Meredith. I am the newest John Hardin girls bowling coach. We are here today, and we're trying to get some sign-ups to further advance the bowling team for John Hardin. We've got to start with the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, so by the time they get to high school, they are ready to compete at a high level. So we're here just to kind of reach out and let them know that even though they're in middle school, they can come out and participate with John Hardin. And then anything else to add to that is, if you're on the fence about bowling or not, it's one of those sports that you can do it at any time, summer, winter, fall, spring. So just come out and give it a shot, and we'll see if we can help you out and hopefully bring home some more regional hardware to John Hardin.
By any chance, is there any tryout date?
So we will hold our tryout / beginning camps. It's normally roughly right around the time fall break shows up. Sometimes it's right before, but normally it's right after fall break. And then our season typically runs from late October until early or late January. And then if we're lucky enough to make the state tournament, then we bowl up until about mid-February.
Okay. Hi, my name is Amanda Mark, and I am a teacher at Bluegrass Middle School, the best middle school in Hardin County. And we're here today because we are welcoming kids to our classrooms. We want kids to really feel like this is a family, and so we are here making sure that they can see our classrooms. If they have any questions for us, that they can ask us anything they want. And I just want everybody to know that here at Bluegrass, we are committed to standing on business, and that just means that how we do one thing is how we do everything. And with us having the goal of being the best middle school in Hardin County, we're going to stand on business a lot. So thanks so much.
I am Bailey Sims. I am the Bluegrass Middle School agriculture teacher and FFA advisor.
And where are you here today? What's going on?
We are here for our open house for our 6th graders, 7th graders, and our 8th graders. So earlier today, our 6th graders had a transition day where they were able to come in, have a tour of the building, get to meet some of the adults in the building, and then we went into open house. Now our returning 7th and 8th grade students are about to come, get to meet their teachers and walk through their schedules for the new school year. So especially for some of our new parents and students, Bluegrass is a super awesome school. I think that most of our kids have a really great experience and they genuinely have a desire to be here. As far as agriculture is concerned, I would want my kids to come in with open minds. It's very different and out of their comfort zones for a lot of them, but what I have seen is that the ones that give it a chance really fall in love with it and they really thrive when they are in their agriculture classes.
Hello, my name is Christian Winkler, and I'm a teacher here at Bluegrass Middle School. I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, and what's going on here is the best open house at any middle school, because we are the best middle school.
Hi, my name is Joshua White. I am the We Build It Better teacher for Bluegrass Middle Schools. We're part of Hardin County Schools, and I am here today for open house for our students as we get ready to roll out the We Build It Better and Reach Higher with Alltech. I want my students to know that this class is all about hands-on learning. It is all about getting our hands dirty and making sure that that we are learning by doing, not just by listening or watching. We're going to be handling mechanics and engineering with general coding.
Hi, my name is Dawn Duda, and I am the PE teacher here at Bluegrass Middle School. We are at open house, so I'm just here kind of introducing myself to new kids or the new 6th graders. Any questions that they have about PE class, they can get answered by me. We also have homeroom, so I get to have a homeroom class this year, so get to meet those students as well. But we're just out here meeting families, having a good time, welcoming our kids, and we're just ready for the school start.
Hello, I'm Ron Ramsey. I'm with Bluegrass Middle School's academic team. I also teach 6th grade math and STEM. I'm here today to promote about opening day at Bluegrass Middle School. We have open house today. We got a lot of parents here. We got clubs set up, teachers are ready, and we're just excited to see the kids here ready to be a part of our school. And the academic team, we have been to state several years in quick recall in different categories, including FPS, and our written tests like math, science, social studies, arts and humanities, and language arts. We're doing great things, and we're excited to see anybody out there and excited to see the other competition in our area.
Hey, good afternoon. My name is James Hare. My son is going to be in 8th grade this year at Bluegrass Middle School. So about Bluegrass, we really like is the teachers are very good at communicating with us. They keep us informed of everything that's going on and upcoming, and they really make it fun here. Taylor comes home often and has got funny stories to tell us about what happened. So we really like it here.
My name is Gwen Cox. I'm a sophomore at John Hardin High School, and I run cross country. I'm here to recruit Bluegrass Middle School students to run with me.
I'm Margie Finley, the Library Media Specialist here at Bluegrass Middle School. This is my 12th year at Bluegrass because I love the school I work in, I love the people I work with, and my students. The Library Media Center is a place for everyone who can come if they need some time just by themselves to work on something, to work together. I want it to be a welcoming place, and just I hope the heart of Bluegrass so you have a place.